Hey, how's it going? My name is Cordray and I'm a licensed counselor. And today we're going to talk about back to school anxiety and 5 ways to overcome it. We're going back to school, time for school, yay, or not so much. A lot of you are going back to school, whether it's college or high school, and you have a ton of anxiety. You got school bus. Some of you have to get on the school bus, and that brings on anxiety. You have to get up on time, and your parents are yelling and screaming and having you get up in the morning. That produces anxiety. You have to get to school and find your class on time. That produces anxiety. You have to walk the hallways. Some of you are entering new grades, even a new school. That brings new anxiety. You have new teachers, new friends, new cafeteria, new assignments, deadlines, tests. Does that bring a lot of anxiety just thinking about it? I'm sure it does. So I wanted to talk a little bit about 5 ways to overcome back to school anxiety. You can do these little things that can add up to big results later on. Now, here's the thing, you have to be really diligent at it. You have to be motivated to it. So the first one is don't sweat the small stuff. Okay, I hear you. You're saying, what? I sweat everything. But you have to train your brain to not overthink things. If it's a small thing, remember it's a small thing, not a huge thing. If it's something that's going to happen 2 weeks, 2 days away from today, don't worry about it today. Try to focus on today. Don't sweat the small stuff. Easier said than done. Number 2, write down your assignments. So your teacher or your professor tells you your assignments. Don't just think you'll remember them, because what's going to happen if you try to just to remember it, you're going to forget, and that's going to produce anxiety. Write it down. Get a calendar, get something to remind yourself. If the teacher writes it on the board, take a picture on your smartphone if you have one. Number 3, do your homework early. As soon as you get off the bus, as soon as you get home, do your homework. It won't take you that long, but here's the thing. If you do your homework, it's out of the way. You're not worrying about it. Don't put it off. Don't procrastinate. Just do it right away. It will help you in the long run. Number 4 is ask for help. This is a lot of you get stressed and anxious because you don't ask for help. Whether it's pride, whether it's embarrassment, something is getting in the way from asking help. If you don't know what something is or where something is, if you don't know a problem, if you don't remember what date something is due, ask for help. Ask your teacher, ask your parents, ask a friend, ask for help. It will help you not be so anxious later on. And number 5, find somebody to talk to. Find a friend, find an adult that you really care about and you believe they care about you and you trust them. But find somebody that you can just vent. You've got to be able to share about your day. You have to talk about the bad and the good. But you need to find someone, if you're stressed and if you're anxious, talk to somebody about it. Tell them, hey, I am anxious, I don't know what to do. And hear from them and just receive their words of encouragement. That will help you. Okay, well, that's my 5 simple, not so simple things you can do to overcome back to school anxiety. I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has been, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Really appreciate you. And comment below, what are some stresses and anxiety that you have about school? I want to know, and I'll reply back to you when I can. Thank you, and as always, take care of yourself.